How do I modify the contents of a CoughDrop speech board? CoughDrop speech boards are completely customizable so they can fit the needs of each communicator. You can make specialized adjustment to any board you can access on your CoughDrop account. If you are the creator of the speech board, you'll be able to make changes immediately. If you are trying to adjust a board that was authored by another user, you will first need to make a copy of their board for your account. To do this, select the board you want to work with and open the Board Actions page. You can do this by hitting the eye icon in the corner of the board preview. Once on the Board Actions page, open the drop-down menu under More and select Make a Copy. If you are a supervisor, you will need to choose which user would like to have a copy of this board or board set. If there are additional boards linked to the board, the system will also ask you if you want to copy all of the boards linked to this board or just the one board. Once you've made a copy, you will notice the board now includes your username or the username of your supervisee in the board title. This is your own copy of the board. You will now be able to make changes as needed to the board. To make changes, hit Edit Board. From here, you can adjust the contents of the board in any way you like. You can rearrange the buttons by grabbing them and using your mouse or touchscreen to drag them to a new location. You can color buttons to sort them by part of speech or for special activities using the Paint feature. Open Paint, select a color, and then click the buttons to fill the background with that color. You can drag your cursor or finger over multiple buttons to color them all that way as well. Also under Paint, you can use the Hide option to temporarily hide buttons while preserving their place on the speech board for future use. You can also disable button links temporarily by using the Unlink option. To continue editing a specific speech button, return to the Edit option. You may want to enter your own sound on a button. Hit the button to open the button settings window and select Sound. By default, the program will vocalize the words in the button label, but you can enter other text into the sound bar to have the button say something different. You can also customize word pronunciation using this option in case the word is not pronounced the way it is written. To add your own audio, tap the button. Here you can record your own sounds or upload audio files saved on your device. If you open the Action option while editing a button, you can designate the action that will occur when the button is pressed. By default, buttons are set to speak words and phrases, but they can also open to a secondary speech board or even link to an outside website, video, book, or app. Under Picture, you can alter the picture displayed on your speech button. Search from several image libraries, upload your own graphic, or take a picture using your device camera. Under General Settings, you can adjust the label, color, and border of the button. You can also choose to hide the button from view and whether or not to display the button label. Whatever changes you make, be sure to hit the Save button when you are finished. To see your changes on a secondary device, you may need to sync and reload the account on that device.